Hi, I'm Joe Stowe and welcome to my latest awesome project, and that is a 1994 Chevy S10. So I picked this truck up yesterday. I'm a sucker for an old S10, so when I found out this one was sitting in some guy's yard for the last 3 years under a tree, just kind of rotting away, I wanted to go look at it and see if I can bring it back to life. So it's a 1994 S10. It's got 4x4, which is nice. It works, it runs and drives, doesn't stop. So zero brakes. A quick look underneath, the brake lines are totally rusted out. It's got holes in the brake lines, so where the fluid just shoots out when you hit the pedal. So that was a little bit of a challenge getting it home on the trailer. It's got the 4.3 engine, it's got air conditioning, so it's a really nice truck, and overall it's just really filthy. It's got a couple of rusty issues underneath that I'll have to take care of. Brakes all around, brake lines, the fuel lines didn't look too healthy, so I'll probably end up replacing the fuel lines, the hard lines as well. That's it. So what my plan is for this first video, I'm going to get her all cleaned up, and then I'll move it into the garage and we can take a look at it. So it's great having another S10 around. That's all I've driven for the last 23 years or so, and this is the 5th one. In fact, I'll show you my daily driver here in a second. So this is my daily driver S10. It's a 1988 short bed 2-wheel drive, just a basic S10, nothing fancy. It's got the 2.5 liter Iron Duke 4-cylinder in it, great engine. No power steering, no electric anything. It's 2-wheel drive. It's about as simple as you could get. Anyway, so that's my daily driver. I've been driving it like 2.5 years and problem free. So no hassles with this truck at all. In fact, it's been more reliable than my wife's car, which is a little bit newer. So hey, that's where I'm at with the S10. So let's get this 1994 cleaned up. Okay, so it took me about 2.5 hours to clean the truck up. I wasn't able to clean the bed out just yet. It's full of, there's some tree branches in there and trash and tons of pine needles. I can't get the tailgate down. Now I tried working on that a little bit, just real quick with a crowbar and taking the assembly apart, but the thing's just so rusted together that I'll have to work on that in the garage, and then I'll clean out the bed. But for now, the truck is in, looks a lot better than it did when I started. Got all the tree sap off of it, pressure washed it, and cleaned it up with some soap and water. Also, I degreased the engine and then pressure washed the engine down, pressure washed underneath. There goes the farmer next door going by, and pressure washed underneath the vehicle as well as best I could. So I think it's clean enough now to get it into the garage and start assessing it, what needs to be replaced, repaired, that type of thing. So look out for the next video that I have coming out on the episode 2 for the Project S10. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you like it, and I'll see you on the next one.